Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some pork ribs right here. We also have a pineapple. So we're going to wrap these ribs around that pineapple. And we're going to put them right here in this good pressure cooker. I ain't used this bad boy in so long. So we're going to see what it do. It's going to be my first time making it happen with some ribs. I hope y'all enjoy. So let's get it. Okay, so here we go right here. Everything nice, soaked, rinsed real good, pat dry. I clean my ribs. I pull off the membrane, all that good stuff. Clean them with some vinegar and water. Let them soak for about 4 minutes. Give them a nice rub. Pat it dry. So now it's time to go ahead and season it up. We're going to use some of that soy sauce, all-purpose seasoning. The season I'm using is some brown sugar, cowboy buttery rub, and some Memphis barbecue. Some light brown sugar. So all that is mixed in. I just want to rub it down real good. Soak in, just like so. And now I'm going to hit it some more with that seasoning, but I'm going to do it off camera. Okay, so we chopped the pineapple. Now we'll grab this right here. Everything is nice and seasoned. And we're going to wrap that around the pineapple. like that there. It's poking straight through. Oh, tighten it up. Okay, and whatever's sticking out top, just clip it. That's all you gotta do, just clip it. So that's how you're looking right there. You know. That's how you looking. So, you know what I mean? Pickaboo. You hear me? Okay, now if I put this in the pressure cooker, let it do its thing. Other slab of ribs is going in the oven. Pressure cooker, oven. Let's get it. Alright. Boom. There we go right there. That's how we looking. Alright, so have it on beef and pork. So if you go ahead and start it up. Boom. So I guess it takes a minute for it to catch on. I ain't used this in so long, and if I used it, probably not even more than twice. If I have used it, not more than twice. So that's how we looking right here. Let's get it. I'm just bringing out my kitchen gadgets, you know what I mean? Cooking utensils, that's all. Let's see what it do. Look at this. When I say this is nice and tender, man, this is nice and tender, for real. The pressure cooker made the ribs so tender. And when I say I recommend that pressure cooker, get one. If you don't have one, get one. That'll save a whole lot of problems in your cooking. If you're working, you have kids, get you a big slab of meat, whatever, pot roast, whatever you want. Pork belly, pork, ribs, steak. Man, put in that pressure cooker and let it do its thing. For real. You will not have no problems. No problems at all. So now, I'm about to get these boys a nice chop. I'm finna put some barbecue sauce on there. Throw it back in the oven. I'm using some of that sweet brown sugar barbecue sauce. I'm finna make it happen. I hope y'all enjoying my video. Okay, so here go the ribs from the pressure cooker. When I say they not falling off the bone like the ribs that was in the oven, that was cooked in the oven. But they coming off the bone, believe that. And they nice and tender, juicy, everything. That's how we look. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen again. It's good kitchen. And when I say this is so tender, the bone was falling, separating itself from the meat. Look at this right here. So tender, good. I did my thing. And yes, I enjoyed making this video, for real. Shout out to my wife. This was her video right here. She wanted me to make this. So I had to make it happen for the lady. You hear me? So I did my thing right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoy. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.